our shower tank. Overland Pros ensuite shower. Let's open it up and see what we get. See what we got. Bag. Put your hardware here. Here's the ensuite. Put that up there for now. Get. Looks to be really good quality. So this will end up going on here just like this. See what we get inside the bag. Four heavy-duty stakes. A couple brackets for mounting. All your hardware. Alright, so we got the bracket mounted. I'm going to use the Rhino rack bracket because it's actually fits the awning perfectly, but these two here are spaced too far apart, so I had to put the bracket that came with the privacy room. Alright, so get the hardware mounted to that. This just velcroed. Open it up and you get to the slots to put the tracks to put this in. Just slide it right in. Put two per track. Hardware up here. It's easy to get to. Alright. And it is a 10 mil, the infamous 10 mil. So I may have to do some final adjustments. I gotta move the trailer and open up the 270 awning to see where it lands on the side of this. Hopefully it's good. Alright, first time opening this thing. See how easy it is. Got two Velcro straps to hold it in. And that just pulls open. That holds it open. Sticks together a little bit. Oh, there you go. That is the shower room. Alright, so this is the shower room. It's got a zipper right there for the hot water heater, which opens up and would be sticking right inside of it. So this is the inside of it. This unzips. So hot water on demand's right there. A pouch to put your soaps, your shampoos and stuff into, one on each side. Got little feels like wooden dowels on the bottom to keep it squared up so it doesn't just flap around on you. First time putting it away, so I've done this before. See how long it takes to do it for the very first time. That was easy. Zip enough of the stuff. You want to zip those up first. But then it's just very easy. There. There. Bag over it. So I will move the trailer so I can actually open up the awning also, and we'll see what it looks like with the awning open too. Alright, so it's actually pretty close. So here's the 270 setup. And then the privacy room bag. And let me move the camera over here and I will open it up and see what it looks like all together. First impressions is the canvas is nice. The whole thing, how it's set up, is really nice. The only thing that that I think it should have had that it doesn't is something to lock it into place. These arms here. There's nothing that locks these arms into place once you open them. That is the only thing that I see that it does not have. Other than that, it's an awesome setup. There it is, all set up.